So ito po ang itsura ng patient gown ng Shinagawa Diagnostics. Very comfortable, very light, and I'm ready for my tests. Alright, so ito po ang Shinagawa Diagnostics clinic. We're gonna take a tour and we're going to be showing you what I'll be doing today. So I'll be running a series of tests and we'll put up the reception with got my BMI, my weight, and also my height. And then next, yung ginawa ko po, takot po ako sa needles, pero blood extraction. Crucial din that we have a look at that blood every now and then. It's worth it naman. Next po was an audio test. Hilig po talaga ako sa music, and as my job din po, it's my job to make music. I have to be sharp with my hearing ability, and how I hear music notes and audio. My eye examination. Ako, I always brag that I have 20/20 vision, pero it doesn't hurt to check every once in a while, baka mamaya magbago. And then, after I did my eye examination, I did my x-ray, check my spine. What I did after that was ECG para sa heart. Shinagawa Diagnostics has ultrasound. And I know, hindi po ko nanay, pero it's essential just to check on your internal organs.